guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Simply Earth for September. Do you want to see what recipes are in here and what you would be making if you get this box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I have Simply Earth for September, and I'm going to show you what is inside here. I'm going to be quite honest, I did pre-record me unboxing this and the bonus box, and I said I'm going to put everything together when our niece comes over. The first week we had our hurricane, so she didn't come over, we had to reschedule. She did come over last weekend, and we honestly ran out of time before I had to take her back home. Plus, when I opened this to make them, one of the cards said that some of the essential oils in this box are not kid safe or friendly. So I decided to not have her help me make them this month because, again, time got away. Plus, if it says anything about it wasn't good for children, I did not want her to be a part of it. So I'm going to show you what is in here, and then I will put in the clip from the bonus box because I already opened that, and show you what comes in that if you missed the very first box that I unboxed, because I think it's every 3 or 6 months they do send you another bonus box. But if you don't know about Simply Earth, it is an essential oil company, and they don't just send you oils. Well, they do, but they don't just send oils and that's it and you try to figure it out on your own. No. They send you essential oils and they give you 6 different recipes and they tell you exactly how to make them. And most of all of the products are between this box and the bonus box you have. You might have to purchase minor things if you want to make that specific recipe, but it's so easy. That's why I did want our niece to help me, because she loves putting these together, but it just didn't work out this time. So maybe next time, we'll see. Now, this one it's $39 a month and you get $150 value. And again, you get to make 6 recipes every month. It is free shipping to the US. And if you use my code SheCraftyFree, you get the free bonus box on your first order, and you get a $40 gift card to use on a future purchase, which that's more than the entire recipe box in itself. And they do give 13% back every month to end human trafficking, which is an amazing cause. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what is going to be in the September box. And they always give you your 6 recipes. They always give you this as well, and that is for you to put on the things that you are making, which I do appreciate, because most of them could be just like on a roller ball or some kind of container, and you don't want to be later like, wait, what's in here? They have you covered and they put everything on here. So each recipe has its own label, so you know exactly what it is when you have to look back at it. And that's what it looks like inside. So let's go ahead and see. This month they're giving back 13% to Exodus Cry. We're fighting because every free person should be free. And then on this one card, they always tell you who they're donating to for that specific month. So there's that. And let's see here. This month, here's a sneak peek of October. October is fall candles. You guys know I love candles. So I definitely want to get her little booty over here to help me make some candles, because I'm sure she would love that. So next month is fall candles. So if you sign up and you want to get next month, you will be making candles. So that's awesome. So this month, what is this month's theme? How fun and easy is making soap? I've loved adding this Happy Joy facial soap in last month's skincare routine, and the flower spice and something nice soap is a great recipe to personalize as a gift. We've also included some unusual oils you might not have used before. We believe using essential oils shouldn't be hard. That's why we always curate blog posts to help with helpful information and even more recipes about each of the oils, including in our recipe box. We also make videos and blog posts for each recipe. So if you have any questions, you could always check that out. You can watch them make it. So that's awesome. So the oils that we have this time is going to be, here's one that's called Bay. Bay essential oil can be used for gas relief. There you go. For gas relief, pain relief, discongestion, ease muscle spasms, and reducing fever. This oil can cause breathing problems with young children. So do not use it or diffuse it around young children. It is also best to avoid using this oil on damaged skin. So maybe this is the one that the one recipe said that's not really kid safe. So there's bay. Then we have lemongrass. So there's lemongrass is used on acne and oily skin as a digestive acid to reduce fevers, to remove airborne odors, and to relieve anxiety. Its aroma is similar to a lemon essential oil, but with herbal notes. I love using it in cleaning recipes. So we have lemongrass. Next is Happy Joy. Happy Joy essential oil blend is made up of geranium, sweet orange, grapefruit, and ylang ylang essential oils. It's to help ease stress and anxiety and promotes feeling of joy and happiness. That's awesome. Let me smell that one. I'm interested. Intriguing minds want to know. Ooh, that does smell really good. So that's good for anxiety and stress, which that's awesome because we all could probably use something like that. Now this one is, I'm not sure how to say that one. Relieves congestion, minor pain, inflammation, and muscle spasms on the flesh, fruity and, has a fresh, fruity, and herbalicious aroma. This oil can cause breathing problems in young children, so do not diffuse around young children. It's also best to avoid using on oil or damaged skin. So 2 of these in here are not good for children. It does smell good. I mean, I don't smell fruity scent. It smells like essential oils. So there's that. Now, what would be made from this month would be flowers and spice diffuser blend. So you would have everything between these to diffuse. So good thing I didn't have her here because both of those that are not good for children are in here as well, because looks like you use all 4 in this specific recipe. Next is a sugar scrub body bar. And the only thing that you would need in addition is cinnamon, which I normally always have cinnamon in my cupboard, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And that's the same thing. I would normally have that as well. So there's that recipe. Next would be a Happy Joy facial soap. That sounds interesting. And this one, the only thing you would need is 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, which is optional. So you don't need that. And you would use this mold, and it says 100% handmade. So you have this silicone mold to use for that soap. So that's cool that they give you that. The other thing that is in here though, you guys, is this aloe glycerin soap base. So this is how you would make the soap. They give you this as well. So there's that. This one's flowers, spice, and something nice soap. And on this one, it says you can put in dried flowers or a small toy, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. And then a toothpick. So those are the only 2 things that this recipe needs that the boxes, between the 2 boxes, does not come with. So there's that, and it's continued on the back side. Then the next one is lemongrass, that other word, could you put, not sure, and bay compress. Now this one, the only thing you need in addition is 4 cups of water, which we should all have water, hopefully, and a small towel or a washcloth. And then you can make this compress. And there's the back side. And then, is there another recipe on this one? Yes. Then you're gonna also make a Happy Joy roll-on. And that one comes with everything because it gives you the roller balls and the almond oil in the bonus box. So there is that. So you can make a Happy Joy roll-on. Now I will go ahead and drop in here what comes in the bonus box. So it comes in this big box. It says bonus box. And this is what I pull out every time I do go to make these, because normally you need stuff that's inside of here. So it has squiggly, so let me remove those. Okay, so we have this big thing of coconut oil. We have beeswax. You get coconut oil of the carrier oil and almond oil, carrier oil. And then you get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, you get 6 of these little vials. And this is where like those stickers come into play. You can put them on the bottles. And then you also get 6 of the roller containers. And again, the stickers will go right on here if you are making anything with the roller balls. So that is everything that comes in the bonus box. And again, these are things that you do need to use to make some of the recipes that they do every month. And yeah. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that would be made in this September box. And that seems really cool. We're making soaps and face compresses and diffusers and happy roll-ons and all kinds of good things. So that's why I really like this box, because they don't just, like I said, they don't just give you the oils and have fun. Nope. They give you a whole theme. They base the whole month on that theme, and they give you all of the different recipe cards on how to make them. And if you have any questions, you can always look at their forums and see their videos that they do post of making all of them. They're super, super simple and super easy. So if you do want to check them out, definitely use my code so you can get that free bonus box and a free $40 gift card to use on a future purchase. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Hopefully next month I can get her little booty over here and make some candles with me. That sounds so exciting. I love me some candles, and especially this time of year with the fall scents. Oh, I can't wait. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead and comment down below. What did you think of this month's theme? Did you like these recipes? Would you be interested in this box? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.